Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you delete Telegram downloaded videos. So at the very first, just go to Telegram. Now here you can see in the top left three dash icon, click on it. After clicking it, just click on settings, which is in the bottom third option. Now just go to this option, data and storage. Now here you can see in the top first option, storage uses. Click on it. Now here you can see you can delete just by clearing cache. Click on the blue clear cache option. Here you can see the storage cleared. This is how can you delete Telegram videos. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.